Good morning. This is orientation video to APC 5C Sari ward. This is the entry of APC 5C. To right side, this is the residence room and workstation. This is the donning area. Donning area with mirror, washroom, and this is a list of steps to be followed while donning. This is the entry to Sari ward from APC 5C ward. We have 10 beds in Sari ward, 2 cubicles having 4 beds each, and there are 2 isolations, so total 10 beds. There are few almiras, and things which are inside almira are written over almiras in form of a list. So here are few drugs, syringes, HMEs, expiratory filters, few drugs over here which are labeled. There are bench circuits, ambu bags which are extra and stored here, few endotracheal tubes, second almira which contain endotracheal tubes of all sizes, 3-way 100 cm, needles, Ryle tubes, feeding tubes, syringes 5, 10, 2.5 ml, 20 ml, intravenous sets, suction catheters. These are inline suction catheters, urinary bags, and intravenous drip sets. And this is refrigerator for storage of samples. This is the first cubicle filled with 4 beds. This is one neonatal ventilator, Hamilton ventilator with neonatal tubings. This is one monitor. We have 2 portable monitors like this. So this is the one portable monitor. And we have one fixed monitor here, which is a wall mounted monitor. This is one resuscitation trolley here, which contain all life-saving injections and drugs over here. All the compartments are labeled. This is the storage space for infusion pumps. This is the second cubicle with 4 beds. This is defibrillator which is working. This is the transport trolley. This is small room for sitting or nursing station. This is refrigerator for storing feeds. And we have trolley where all intubation equipments are here, like ambu bags, laryngoscopes, face masks. And this is the X-ray machine which is fixed here, and this machine is on charger now. This is the transport trolley. This is doctor's duty room. And this is the ABG machine. Few cartridges are there. These are old cartridges or expired cartridges, so we have new cartridges which are used only for scanning the barcode and not to be used for patient care. So how to use ABG machine, there is a separate video. This is again second resuscitation trolley with having injections, laryngoscope, CT tubes, ambu bags, and life-saving drugs over here. This is the first isolation room. This is the second isolation room where one child is being ventilated. This is the second portable monitor, and this is Nalcor ventilator. We have 2 Nalcor ventilator and 1 Hamilton ventilator for neonates. And this is the infant being ventilated. You see, infant tubing in place, humidifier is in place. For infant circuit, we have to use this expiratory valve and this slot for fitting expiratory valve in the expiratory port. So this is HMEF and inline suction. So we must use inline suction and HMEF any child who's on ventilator. This is the exit toward the docking area. Here we have a docking area with all instructions pasted over here, and there are various dustbins, hand sanitizer and mirror here. And then this is the final exit from the Sari ward. This is entry into 5D shower area. On right side there are washrooms for males and females. These are lockers, and this is doctor's duty room and nurse's duty room. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching, and good luck for your sari posting.